with the acid, mixture problem. Sabri added 15 liter to 40% of alcohol solution to 85 liter of a 60% alcohol solution. What is the alcohol concentration of new solution? So 15% of 15 liter of 40% of alcohol solution means you're going to 15 times 40 over, when you say 40 over 100, this is the amount of the this is the amount of alcohol. So this much we have alcohol inside. 15 times 4, 60 over 10, which is equal to 6 liter. In 15 liter we have 6 liter alcohol, and 85 liter with 60% alcohol we have. 60% means 60 over 100. So I delete the I cancel the zeros, then and if I divide by 5, this is going, when you divide by 5, this is going to be here divided by 5. What is it? 16 it's going to be, 17 it's going to be, and here this one it's going to be 2. If you simplify this 2, this is going to be maybe 3, and this is going to be 1. It's going to be, I think, 85 divided by 5, it's going to be 17. 17 times 3, it's going to be equal to 51 liter, isn't it? 51 liter. So when you how much the alcohol now totally? 51 plus 6, which is equal to 57 liter, isn't it? 57 liter. And at the beginning we have the alcohol solution here, 15 and 85, and what is the concentration of new solution, it's asking. So when you mix them, it means that you are going to get 15 liter alcohol solution plus 85 liter alcohol solution, totally 100 liter of alcohol solution, isn't it? And you're trying to learn in your alcohol solution what's going to be the rate of this one, the percent of this one, with respect to 57 liter. Why 57 liter? Because we found that there is 6 liter alcohol in the first solution and 51 liter of alcohol in the second solution. When you mix them, also the alcohols also mixed, it's going to be, isn't it? So if you compare 57 with respect to 100, because the total amount of solution, these are only alcohol, these are solutions. So totally 100 liter alcohol solution I have, and 57 liter of it, it's going to be only alcohol. So the percent of it, 100 times R over 100 it's going to be, and the R is equal to 57 is going to be, and it means that 57%. Did you understand why it is 57%? Again, I'm telling you have 15 liter alcohol solution, 85 liter alcohol solution, then 15 liter alcohol solution, inside that one you have 6 liter alcohol. In 85 liter alcohol solution you have 51 liter alcohol, isn't it? So when it says that Sabri added, it means you are going to add them. 15 liter plus 85 liter, when you add, how much liter you will get? 100 liter. But this is not alcohol, this is alcohol solution. And in alcohol solution, what is your total amount? 6 plus 51, totally 57 liters you have alcohol. And you know this operation, your total amount times the rate, the percentage of the alcohol solution, percentage of your alcohol solution. I said with R. Okay, over 100 always gives you the amount of alcohol solution, and amount of mixture is 57. And I found like this: when I simplify 100 and 100, because when you multiply R, it becomes equal to 57, which means 57%. Pardon, percent, 57 I wrote. 57%. Okay. Now the next one. Tolga investment of 1,800 earned 576 in annual simple interest. What is the annual interest rate? Here the interest, the formula for the annual interest, I is equal to pi times R times T over 100. Okay. Now this is annual interest. Do you know what is monthly interest? What is the monthly interest? Pi times R times T over 100 times 12. This is monthly. What about your daily interest? Daily, 100 times 360 it's going to be. Okay. It says annual simple interest, so we are going to use this formula, not this one. Okay. Then it says that total earned interest is 576 is equal to the principal investment what he has in his hand, it is $1,800. It's asking the interest rate. Okay, how much to find what is the interest rate for how many years? A simple interest for 1 year. Okay, annual simple interest. Annual means yearly. In 1 year he got that much, so over 100. So what it makes? 576 is equal to 18. If you simplify, 18 times R. So R is equal to 576 over 18. It's going to be, you are going to send as a division this one. So what is 500? We will divide by 2 and we will easily solve like that. We are not going to use calculator. So 576 over 2, what it makes? 200. Yes, 576. 288 over 9 it is. When you divide by 3, yes, it's going to be 96 over 3. When you divide by 3, it's going to be equal to 32 over 1. So we are not writing. So R is equal to 32 and 32% of interest rate. Okay. Now this is the H problem. In 1990s, Aisha was 3 times old as old as her son. That year the difference of their ages was 22. In what year was each born? In 1990s, Aisha was 3 times old as her son. That year the difference of their ages was 22. Okay. Now 1990s, it's not 3 times old as her son. What does it mean? In 1990s, if she is X year old, her son is 3x year old, isn't it? This is not, they are not equal, sorry. It's like this. Aisha is age, if it is Ayşe's age and son's age, son is equal to x, Ayşe's age, it's going to be 3 times of it, isn't it? Ayşe was 3 times of as old as her son, so her son is x, Ayşe is 3. That year the difference of their ages was 22, which means, what is the difference of their ages? 22. 2x is equal to 22, x is equal to over 2, x is equal to 11. 11 is going to be, isn't it? Yes. That year, in what year was each born? Now, what is Ayşe's age? No, no. It is the difference of their age. It says the difference of their age was 22. So 3x minus x is equal to 22. So what is x? What is his son's age? His son's age? 11. What about Ayşe's age? 33. But in 1990s, Ayşe was 33, his son is 11. Can you tell me when Ayşe born? No. Before 32 years, isn't it? Before. Can you tell me the born date? No. This is going to be which is 1952, 57. What about his son when he born? 1990. He's 11. Did you understand why it is like that? 1990 minus 11 is equal to 1979.